here's the path. You want to go into your files, click into shared, district-wide staff shared, go all the way down to math shared, grades 1 through 6, My Math, 3rd grade, and if you click into the 3rd grade assessment masters for students, there are benchmarks in here, and I had them open. There are benchmarks starting on page 360 that look like they assess for the entire grade level. Not only are there the chapter tests and answer keys, but the benchmarks that, again, start on page 360. I had it ready to go, but I can't seem to find that file. So let me come down to page 360. There's benchmark. There's 4 different benchmark tests that you could use to assess a student on 3rd grade skills. Hope this is helpful.